Hey y'all, Braxton back again. What? I just took a screwdriver to get Braxton boys back again. Hey y'all, Chauncey of Braxton Boys Maintenance. So we have episode 1 today, demo. We're going to be removing the electrical outlets, plugs, all the appliances for the junk man to come pick up. And I already pulled the water heater, so if you want to see that, how to remove and install a water heater, click this link right here and it'll take you to that video. I hope you guys enjoy. Let's get started. In case you all did not know, some oven doors, angle it, come right up out of the vent stage. Now just show that the power is cut except for 2 breakers. Well, for 3 breakers, the living room, kitchen lights and outlets, and then the upstairs outlets and lights, and also the AC. They are all off except for upstairs. The lights and outlets here, dishwasher's off, so, and the AC is still on. I am the only one in this unit right now, so I'm not going to do a lockout tagout on this just yet because I still need access to these breakers. But once I do a lockout tagout, I'll show you guys that too. Next, we're going to go ahead and pull the dishwasher. I do have the water cut off. Because I have no water heater. There's the range, microwave. There's the water heater. I'm surprised it did not start leaking yet. This here is a 2008 water heater. So I do believe we got its life. And then the refrigerator. So all we need is the dishwasher. Right there. Okay, so now since we have all the face plates and removed, we're gonna go ahead and replace all the outlets and light switches. If you wanted to see us do that, I have this video here that shows us replacing light switches and outlets. Go ahead and click that now. Other than that, I'll be right back with you. Alright, so here we are at the end of day one. We got some of the demo done. The downstairs electrical removed. The appliances pulled out. I'll show you the lockout that I have since we do have exposed wiring now. And tomorrow we'll start the upstairs, removing some more fixtures. And there is the lockout